It's time to practice math. Hip hop math.
Hey!
Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing makes me glad.
Hip hop math.
Hey!
Hip hop math.
Multiplying and dividing, it makes me glad. Stacking chips, 6 times 6. What does that give me? 36. 8 times 4. What is the score?
Hey Jan, what's up?
Ben, you've gotta help me. I don't know how to multiply fractions.
I think I can help you understand multiplying fractions. Sit and see.
Okay.
So Jan, what's the problem you're facing?
Wow, I need to find the answers to 2/3 multiplied by 4/5.
Let's say this cake represents 2/3. Now, when you multiply it by 4/5, it means you want 4/5 of it. What this looks like is this cake here separated into 5 equal parts. And then you count only 4 parts. So, could you count how many total pieces are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are a total of 8 pieces.
Great. Now, what's the total number of equal pieces if the cake were whole?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The total would be 15.
And there you have it. 2/3 multiplied by 4/5 is 8/15.
Oh, I see. I don't think I can bring around a cake each time I want to multiply fractions, though.
Oh, that won't be necessary. All you need to do is just multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together.
Oh, you could have said that from the beginning.
But if I told you that, would you have understood what fractions multiplied by fractions means?
No.
Hello, welcome once again to another interesting class on mathematics. I want to specially thank you for making me proud in your previous quiz. Now today we are going to continue where we stopped, and today we are going to be treating a new topic on fractions, which is multiplication of fractions. I don't know what fraction is all about. I want you to understand that multiplication is another thing we need to know. What is the meaning of multiplication? To multiply means to increase by a certain proportion. So when we want to increase a certain fraction by another proportion of a fraction is what we are going to be dealing with today. Now, a worked example for us today is, now as we continue, I want you to get your writing materials and write down important steps, make your notes, and at the end of the day, I know you are going to have a better understanding on how to handle multiplication of fractions. Now, example 1 says solve 2/5 minutes in seconds. Solve 2/5 minutes in seconds. Now, the first thing you notice there is that the 2/5 minutes, we need to convert it to seconds. So it means we are going to look for how many seconds is in a minute. So the first we are going to convert, and 60 seconds make 1 minute. So in every 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So how many seconds will be inside 2/5 minutes? So become 2/5 multiply, that is times 60 seconds. So what do? We have to divide. Look for the up and down number, that is the numerator and the denominator that can cancel out. And we have 5 and 60. What is the common factor of 5 and 60? Is 5. 5 cancel 5 gives you 1. 5 cancel 60 gives you 12. So we have what is remaining, 2 multiplied 12, that is 2 times 12, which is 24. So we have 24 seconds in 2/5 minutes. So we are going to be going over to another question. This question is somehow more complicated compared to the first question we treated. Now, however it may be, I want you to get something. When you have fractions, I want you to always cancel out. Look for the numerator and the denominator that can cancel out each other, then cancel out by the common factor. Very important. Now we have Belos class of 40 pupils went for a picnic. 7/8 of them swam in the sea. Find the number of pupils who did not swim. So our solution, the number of pupils in Belos class are 40. So we have 40. Now 7/8 of them swam in the sea. They did not give us the number of pupils who swam in the sea, but they gave us the fraction. So from the fraction we can get the number of pupils who swam in the sea. So number of pupils who swam in the sea become 7/8 of means times in mathematics times 40 pupils. Okay, so what we do, the numerator and the denominator that can cancel out is 8 and 40. Okay, and the common factor there is 8. So 8 cancel 8 is 1, 8 cancel 40 is 5. So when you multiply 7 by 5, 7 times 5 will give you 35. So 35 pupils swam in the sea. So from here now we can get how many pupils who did not swim. So what do you do to get how many pupils who did not swim? If 35 of them swam, so become number of pupils who did not swim become 40 minus 35, which will give us 5 pupils. So only 5 pupils did not swim at the end of the day. So the next question and our last example for today says a box and its content weigh 12 whole number 4/5 kilogram, and the box is 3/8 of this box. What is the weight of the box? A box and its content weigh 12 whole number 4/5 kilogram. The box is 3/8 of this box. What is the weight of the box? So our solution, the box plus the contents now together gives us 12 whole number 4/5. But we want the weight of the box, and they are giving us the fraction of the weight of the box. So to get the weight of the box becomes 3/8, which is the fraction of the weight of the box, of, that is times 12 whole number 4/5. Remember, in mathematics, we cannot handle mixed number like that. We have to convert it to improper fraction. 12 whole number 4/5 is a mixed number, and to convert it to improper fraction, you multiply the whole number by the denominator, which is 12 times 5. 12 times 5 gives us 60, plus the numerator, which is 4, gives us 64 over the denominator. You can see the way I converted my mixed number to improper fraction. Now you look for the numerator and the denominator that can cancel out each other, and it is 8 and 64. And from this 8 and 64, you discover that the common factor is 8. So when 8 divides 8, it gives you 1. When 8 divides 64, it gives us 8. Now 3 and 5, numerator and denominator cannot cancel out each other, so you leave them. So you multiply the all the numerators over the denominator. Become 3 times 8, it gives us 24 over 5 times 1, which is 5. So 3 times 8 is 24 over 5. Remember, this is an improper fraction. So 5 can divide 24, leaving us a remainder. So we cannot leave improper fraction like that. We have to convert improper fraction to a mixed number. And to do that, we have 5 divided 24. How many times will 5 divide 24? Is 4 times. So we have 4 whole number. Now remaining how many? Remaining 4. That 4 becomes our numerator over what we used to divide, which is 5. So the weight of the box is 4 whole number, 4 over 5 kilogram. Now I want you to go over this lesson, digest it, and after that you have to answer the questions on your content page. Thereafter, you attempt the interactive assessment and your quiz. Please, I want you to do this with all care, do it meticulously, and make me proud. We meet again in our next class. For now, I say bye.